Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Linux Mint 22.2 XFCE edition on VMware workstation. Okay, first go to Linux Mint official website and download. Click on download. Then see here we have the editions like Cinnamon, XFCE and Mate. In this video we are going to download and install XFCE edition. So click on download. Then see here this is the size, it is about 3 gigabytes. Then see here we have the mirrors. These are the direct links. If you want to download by using torrent, click on the 64-bit torrent link. Click on this one to download. On it register, see download started. See here its size is about 2.8 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on new. Select the installer disk image file. Then select the browse and select the ISO image. Then click on open. Click on next. Now select the type as Linux and version as Ubuntu 64-bit. Then click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Mint 22. Name can be anything. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. Select the path where you have the NO space. Click on next. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine hardware information. If you want to customize or change any one of them, click on customize hardware. I'm okay with all the settings. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide any description for this virtual machine, you have to provide here. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is start Linux Mint, and hit enter. If you want to use this for testing purpose, just use and shut down. But if you want to install permanently, right click on this install Linux Mint, then select the execute. Select the language and click on continue. Select keyboard layout. I am going with English US both. Then click on continue. If you want to install multimedia codecs, you have to select the checkbox. I don't want, it is up to you. Then click on continue. See, this is a fresh installation, so select the erase disk and install Linux Mint. If you want to see the advanced features, click on here. See here we have the none and use the LVM with new Linux Mint installation. Also, if you want to encrypt, you have to select this one. I don't want either of them. Cancel it. I am going with erase disk and install Linux Mint, and click on install now. Click on continue. Now select the region or time zone. I am going to, you can select on the globe or you can search here. I am going with the default one. Then click on continue. Now we have to create our setup user. I am giving username as R2 schools, and this is the computer name or host name. Later also you can change this one. I am giving, this is the username. Then provide the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then click on continue. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video, and then it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now please see the message. Please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Okay, right click on this virtual machine, settings, then go to CD DVD, unselect device status, unselect both the check boxes, then click on OK. Then come to virtual machine and hit enter. Then provide the password of this user. If you don't want to show this dialog box every time, unselect it and click on close. Now open the terminal. Now verify the version that you have installed more /etc os-release. See, we have installed Linux Mint 22.2 and its code name is Jera and its ID is like Ubuntu Debian and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Okay, now the first step after connecting to Linux Mint 22.2 is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. We have to update the packages. Before that, verify IP of this machine, ifconfig. See, this is IP of the machine. Okay, now upgrade the package. Type and hit enter. This will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Linux Mint 22.2 Jera XFCE edition on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.